Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to connect Bitcoin.com to Verse. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open up the Bitcoin.com application and make sure to sign into your account. After you are inside the homepage for Bitcoin.com, go ahead and tap on the glove icon located at the top right corner from the homepage. Soon after you do that, you will be taken to verse.bitcoin.com website, where you will need to tap on Connect at the top right corner. From the Wallet Connect pop-up at the bottom, select Bitcoin.com. Right after you do that, allow permission for VerseDex to connect to Bitcoin.com by tapping on Connect at the bottom right corner. Wait for a few seconds, and you will then be able to connect Bitcoin.com wallet to VerseDex. Now you can start trading various cryptocurrencies on VerseDex, enjoy lower transaction fees as Verse provides benefits within the ecosystem, and access other DeFi features offered by Verse. So that's how you easily connect Bitcoin.com to VerseDex. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.